Hello everyone, welcome to English practice.
Hello, teacher. I am ready to learn today.
Please listen carefully and repeat after me.
Okay, I will repeat every sentence.
Speak slowly and clearly. How are you doing today?
I am doing very well today.
That's wonderful to hear.
What is your full name?
My full name is Sonia Khan.
Nice to meet you, Sonia. Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
That's a beautiful country.
What do you do every day?
I am a student and I study English.
Very good, keep learning.
Please say, I am learning English.
I am learning English every day.
Excellent pronunciation. Say, I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently.
Perfect, say it again at home. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I really like learning English.
That's a great attitude.
Please speak slowly so I can understand you better.
Okay, teacher, I will try to speak more slowly.
Good, clear speaking helps people learn faster.
If you don't understand, you should ask again.
Yes, I will say, can you repeat that, please?
Excellent, that is the correct sentence.
Do you know what this word means?
No, teacher. Could you explain it simply?
Of course, I will explain with an easy example.
How do you say this sentence in English?
Let me think. I think I know the answer.
Take your time. Learning needs patience.
When we make mistakes, we should not feel shy.
Yes, mistakes help us improve our English.
Exactly, practice makes your speaking stronger. Thank you for answering with confidence today.
You're welcome, teacher. I feel more confident now.
That is wonderful to hear.
When you meet someone, you can say, "Nice to meet you."
That sounds polite and friendly.
Yes, it creates a good first impression. If someone helps you, what should you say?
I should say, thank you very much.
Perfect, good manners are important. If you are late, you should say, I am sorry.
I understand. That shows respect.
Very good, you are learning fast. You are doing a great job in today's lesson.
Thank you, teacher. I will keep practicing.
Keep going, you are improving every day. How are you feeling today in class?
I am feeling happy and ready to learn.
That positive energy is very good. Are you tired, or do you still have energy?
I am a little tired, but I can continue.
Great attitude, keep pushing forward.
What do you do when you feel confused?
I ask questions so I can understand better.
That is the best way to learn.
Do you practice English every day at home?
Yes, I practice speaking in front of a mirror.
Excellent habit. That builds confidence. Why is speaking practice important?
Because speaking helps us become fluent.
Exactly. Practice makes improvement.
What should you say when you agree?
I can say, yes, I agree with you.
Perfect sentence structure.
And what can you say when you disagree politely?
I can say, I'm sorry, but I don't agree.
Very polite and correct. If something is difficult, should you stop learning?
No, teacher. I should try again.
Exactly, never give up. How do you feel when you understand a lesson?
I feel proud and motivated to learn more.
That feeling means progress.
You are improving day by day.
Thank you, teacher. Your help means a lot.
I am proud of your effort.
Practice every day for better speaking.
I will practice speaking every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching video.
Like and subscribe a channel.
See you next video.